Hello people, welcome back to our channel Motivision, I and Inspiration Samir. In the fast-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, OpenAI has once again taken a giant leap forward. The non-profit research company, renowned for its groundbreaking AI innovations, is set to unveil a game-changing tool that will empower users to create their very own custom versions of ChatGPT. This tool, aptly named GPTs, is poised to democratize AI and transform the way we interact with technology, unleashing the power of custom chatbots. GPTs, or Generative Pre-trained Transformers, are set to revolutionize the world of chatbots. OpenAI is all set to democratize artificial intelligence by enabling users to craft their very own chatbots, tailored to their unique needs and preferences. The most remarkable aspect of this innovation is that it requires absolutely no coding expertise. Imagine a world where you can describe the capabilities and functionalities you desire in a chatbot, and the technical aspects of generating the corresponding code are handled seamlessly by GPTs. No longer will AI creation be the exclusive domain of coding experts. Instead, it will become accessible to a much broader audience. This innovation marks a significant step in the democratization of AI, as OpenAI is now placing the power of chatbot creation directly into the hands of users. With GPTs, the potential for personalization and industry-specific applications is limitless. Introducing the GPT Store. But that's not all. To support this burgeoning chatbot ecosystem, OpenAI is launching a dedicated GPT Store. This marketplace will serve as a hub for innovation, enabling users to not only create their own chatbots but also discover, purchase, and share custom-built chatbots created by others. The GPT Store is not just a marketplace. It's a platform for creators to showcase their work and potentially monetize their efforts. This opens up a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs, innovators, and developers to harness their creativity and skills in the AI domain. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, stated, "We believe that the ability to create custom chatbots should be accessible to anyone, not just coding experts. GPTs and the GPT Store will make it easier than ever for people to build chatbots that meet their specific needs, and we're excited to see what kind of creative and innovative applications people come up with." Transforming industries. The introduction of GPTs and the GPT Store is poised to have a profound impact on the way people interact with technology. Chatbots have the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, from customer service and education to healthcare and beyond. Here are some potential use cases for custom GPTs. 1. Customer service chatbots. These chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answering frequently asked questions and resolving common issues with efficiency and accuracy. 2. Educational chatbots. Chatbots can personalize learning experiences, adapt to individual student needs, and provide real-time feedback, thereby enhancing the quality of education. 3. Healthcare chatbots. In the healthcare industry, chatbots can collect patient information, schedule appointments, and provide health advice, which can significantly streamline processes and improve patient care. 4. Industry-specific chatbots. Tailored to specific industries such as finance, legal, and retail, these chatbots can provide specialized services and solutions, offering a competitive edge in the market. The potential applications of custom GPTs are vast and only limited by the imagination of users. With this new tool, OpenAI is empowering individuals and organizations to harness the power of AI to create chatbots that can transform their businesses, enhance learning experiences, and improve lives. OpenAI's GPTs are heralding a new era in AI innovation, making AI creation accessible to all, and enabling countless possibilities for customization and industry-specific applications. This is the dawn of a new AI era, one where technology works for you, precisely the way you want it to. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.